New healthcare regulations demand the use of FHIR, the ability for patients to securely access their healthcare data, and encryption of personal health information, PHI. By 2025, almost 90% of all data created in the global datasphere will require some level of security, but, distressingly, less than half will be secured. IDC's White Paper. Encrypting data and concealing the decryption keys, while also encrypting your application class code, will be essential to thwart hackers. BDR-Secure and BDR Proxy does it all while allowing business as usual, says BDR's management. Prevent hackers from reverse engineering application code and discovering technology secrets. Here we are viewing the current big data revealed data privacy, migration and FHIR application that contains over 1,300 classes, and we see they are not encrypted. That will allow for hackers internally and externally to reverse engineer the code. This will also allow for discovery of paths, hidden files and data and more. Now we are running and applying the BDR-Secure process that is encrypting over 1,300 classes along with other hidden files and data such as user roles, keys and more. Now as we scroll into the BDR app, we are viewing some of the over 1,300 classes and other securely encrypted files that the BDR-Secure app protected. Now this will deter internal and external hackers to download and reverse engineer the code in order to learn more about the application, how it works, where it goes to communicate high security transactions, and overall makes the application as secure as can be. Here we again even see entity classes that are storing user roles and other private company and application data for the application to process. We are viewing a test file that is not encrypted at this time, though will be after we load and process the secure BDR application while the class code is secured. Now with the use of a secure encrypted key, we launch the BDR app to start processing as usual, again even though we have secured the classes with encryption. We are once again verifying the email data is not encrypted in the database. We now log into the BDR application that has the class code encrypted. We now are establishing the process to run against a database table. Now we select to process against that table, then we select to write the new table to a new schema. Here we see that in this image that this table has no encryption. Now we complete the parameters to process the encryption of data in the database table. We select the email column to be encrypted. This can be one, many or all of the table's data, and we run the process. Even while the BDR application is running to encrypt the email column of the database table, I am showing once again some of the class code in BDR and that it is encrypted. Again, we also see the entity and user roles classes are encrypted and secure. Now that the process is completed, we see the metadata showing emails and how many rows were encrypted. Now as view the database results, we refresh the data and can see the email data in the column has been securely encrypted and the key is secure and hidden. Here we are viewing one of many or as many as needed property files that are secured within encrypted classes, and they themselves encrypted and can store an application's or company's very secure data and information. This video we delivered our secure FHIR application protecting the interfaces to encrypt and secure the personal healthcare data within FHIR and BDR's class code, available this month. Patient downloads are already part of this deliverable and ready for market now. Our successful POC with our BDR-Secure application, encrypted our BDR data privacy and migration application code of over 1,300 classes. This can be used for FHIR or most any application. New healthcare regulations demand the use of FHIR, the ability for patients to securely access their healthcare data, and encryption of personal health information, PHI. BDR's FHIR healthcare product gives you all of these, while BDR-Secure has pioneered ISO 256K encryption of all data including FHIR stored data, application code and encryption keys. Reach BDR at 847-440-4439.